Okay, guys, on to question number 6. Here we go. This is fun. All right, so we're going to graph this function. You could just input a bunch of values starting with x equals 0. We will get that one. And then we will put this into the form that we like where we see the h and the k. So hold on here and let's do this. Let's take this form and we're going to complete the square. Hope you remember this from Mr. Thomas last semester. Okay, I'll take this middle value here. I'm going to complete the square on this. I bring this over here and I say -2. I divide it by 2 and I square it. All right, so -2 divided by 2 is -1. Squared, I get 1. All right, so that's my magic square number there. So rewrite this: f of x equals x squared minus 2x plus that 1 that I just calculated, right? Plus 5, and then because I have a plus 1, I added 1. I can't add 1 to something that'd change everything. So I add 1, I minus 1. So we're just playing around here. It's fun. This is algebra, guys. Hang on. Here we go. So I'm going to keep this part here. This is a little magic we're working here. F of x equals, now this is a perfect square. I got x minus 1 squared. X squared minus 2x plus 1 factors into, it's a perfect square, x minus 1 squared. And I'm left with plus 5 minus 1, that's plus 4. Bingo! Now we have that form. I'll write the form down here again. F of x equals x minus h squared plus k. So I have my vertex. I got a minus 1, so my vertex is, what's the vertex? 1, 4. Got 1 point. Now the other point, the first point, you can do it first if you wanted to. Put a 0 in for x and solve for y. F of 0 equals 0 squared minus 2 times 0 plus 5. F of 0 equals 5. So I have the point 0, 5. And because there is no negative sign in front of the x, it opens up. It's positive x squared. So now we can, let's see if I can graph this thing. Click on the graph, choose this one. Hey, internet's working okay. I go to my first point, my vertex 1, 4, and my y-intercept 0, 5. And I've got that. All right. Hope you guys can do that. All right. I know you can. And we got to answer these questions again. The axis of symmetry goes through the vertex once again. X equals 1 on mine. All right. The domain, negative infinity to infinity. I wish I could skip this along. What about the range? The range is from 4 to infinity. Okay, I'll just talk through these. The domain for which the function is increasing. Okay, where it's increasing from the vertex to the right. Where's the vertex? Put in the domain value, the x value. Square bracket 1, infinity bracket. Decreasing, it's decreasing from negative infinity over here, and the x is all the way till I get to the domain value of the vertex, the domain value, the x value, 1. Square bracket, 100%. Good job, guys.